Some exciting news for Mamelodi Sundowns players as we witnessed them win the CAF Champions League. Bese kuyitshaye CAF Champions League yesibili-ke yalo-ke iqembu bawina-ke la ekhaya 1-0 in the first leg, and they went away to play AS FAR in Morocco. They were able to come back with a 1-1 draw, meaning they won 2-1 on aggregate. So-ke kusho kona ukuthi Mamelodi Sundowns siney'ta ezimbili. Yilokho kuphela-ke iqembu-ke la e-South Africa eliney'ta eziwu-2 lilandelwe yiyo-ke i-Orlando Pirates yawina-ke istar esisodwa. So some exciting news in terms of the players and the staff members that were involved in making this possible. U-Andile Ncube uvezile-ke laphana kwa-X ukuthi-ke the prize money siyaziyo ukuthi-ke is 100 million will be shared by the players and the staff members. So this is great for them because they worked really hard in securing the second star. Sibonile-ke laphana ukuthi i-environment ibi-hostile kanjani-ke eMorocco. So they were able to come out victorious, and the players and the staff members will be able to share that 100 million prize money.